When Nebuchadnezzar saw the fourth man in the fiery furnace, the Bible says he was astonished. The event at that moment became unbelievable. That what is happening here, I tell people, God did not show that vision to another person. He showed that vision to who? To Nebuchadnezzar, to see. Your enemy will see the glory of God in your life. That joy that is coming, they will see and they will not be able to stop it. That breakthrough, they will see and they will not be able to hinder it. In the mighty name of Jesus. And the man said, how come 3 people became 4? How come these guys are not on earth? Don't forget, you know that story now. The ones that threw them in the fiery furnace never got home. Ibi tí ọ̀tá rẹ ti lọ gbé ẹbọ nítorí rẹ. Ó di má jẹ̀mú ní orúkọ Jésù kò ní délé. Ra mi wò lẹ ṣe. Ra mi wò lẹ ṣe. Àní ibi tí ọ̀tá ti lọ gbé ẹbọ ní ìkóríta ibi tó lọ, nínú ìsàlẹ̀ odò tó lọ, lórí àpáta tó gùn, nínú igi tó wọ̀, ní lédì tó wọ̀, ní orí pẹpẹ òkùnkùn tó wọ̀, láti ṣiṣẹ́ ibi nítorí ayé rẹ. Mo kéde kò ní padà délé. Ó máa kú sájò. In the mighty name of Jesus. It is the plan of God, oh. See my hand, oh. My hand dey up, oh. I don't know about it too. The thing where they talk be say, the people will carry hello, the people will carry Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego go inside fiery furnace. They no return home. As then they were kind at the heat of the furnace, now ain't kill them. If your enemy did not desist, that which he has planned, or that which he has planned to afflict you with, we come back to him or her. In the mighty name of Jesus. Àwọn tó dúró d'Olúwa, a ó tú agbára wọn ṣe o. Wọ́n fi yẹ gòkè dídì. Wọ́n sáré kí ó sì rẹ̀ wọ́n. Wọ́n rí ẹrẹ̀ kí ó mú wọn. Let's take it one more time. Àwọn tó dúró d'Olúwa. Yes. A ó tú agbára wa ṣe o. A ó fi yẹ gòkè dídì. A ó sáré kí ó sì rẹ̀ wá. A ó rí ẹrẹ̀ kí ó mú wá. If you wait, let somebody say wait. Let me tell you something. There is no how powerful any prophet, pastor could be that could be powerful than God. Is it possible? Have you seen any powerful prophet than God? Who is the owner of miracle? Who is the owner of breakthrough? Who is the owner of healing? Who dispenses it at his own time? People like us, we only come to the presence of God to plead. And that is why the factor wait is very, very important.